What if I told you the ground beneath your feet could betray you in a single second? No warning, no time to run, no second chance. Imagine this. The Earth just stops spinning. Instantly. You might not feel it right now, but at the equator, you hover moving at over 1,600 kilometers per hour. That he says about 1,000 miles per hour. If that movement suddenly stopped, everything not anchored deep into the planet would keep moving at the same deadly speed. You, your car, your house, flung eastward with unimaginable force. Skyscrapers would collapse like toy blocks, trees uprooted, cities shredded. Even the air would keep moving, turning into a supersonic wall of wind. The wind wouldn't just knock you over, it would strip the flesh from your bones. And then the oceans react. Water doesn't stop just because the ground does. Tsunamis thousands of meters high would sweep across continents, swallowing coastlines, erasing entire nations. Places like New York, Tokyo, and Mumbai, gone in minutes. But that's just the beginning. Without Earth's rotation, something even more critical disappears: the magnetic field. That invisible shield protects us from deadly solar radiation. Without it, the sun's rays would scorch the surface, increasing cancer, mutating DNA, and frying electronics. Satellites crashed, power grids gone. Now imagine a world with no day or night. One side of the planet would be locked in eternal daylight, baking for months. The other side, frozen in endless night. Crops would fail. Animals would die. Humans, struggling to survive on the thinnest edge of what used to be Earth's habitable zones. Weather systems would collapse. Rain, gone. Jet streams, disrupted. Massive storms would rage between the hot and cold sides of the planet. Hurricanes beyond our worst nightmares. And don't forget gravity. Right now, Earth's spin causes a bulge at the equator. Without rotation, the planet would become more spherical, redistributing water and land. Sea levels would rise in some regions by up to 8 kilometers. Continents would be reshaped. Entire nations would sink. Others would emerge from the sea. Still think the ground beneath you is safe? You might wonder, has this ever happened before? Not exactly. But recently, scientists made a discovery. Earth's inner core, a solid metal ball the size of the moon, is slowing down. Some say it may have even reversed direction. This isn't the end of the world, but it is a sign that our planet is not as stable as we think. That beneath the surface, there are forces we barely understand. So the next time you look up at the stars, or stand barefoot in the grass, remember, this world only feels still until it's not. And if you want to know what would happen if the moon exploded, or if the sun disappeared for one day, subscribe now. Because the more we understand this universe, the more we realize how fragile our place in it really is.